Hi everybody, my name is Karen Costa and I'm a full-time faculty member at Jones International University. This brief video will demonstrate how to create a Getting Started forum in the D2L discussion. In this forum, you're going to place three important topics: your welcome message and video, a space for student introductions, and your course expectations. So it's really important to give students the tools that they need to succeed in class from day one. So this is the place that we're going to do that. So hang with me and I'll show you how to get that started. So how do we set up our Getting Started forum in the D2L discussion? So we want to get into the discussion, so we're going to go to Assignments and then Discussions. And you'll see here that all of you fine folks have already been working hard and practicing setting things up in the discussion. So just kind of keep those in the back of your mind. I'm going to start from scratch here though. So you want to go to New and then New Forum. Okay, I'm going to be using this lingo here in this video of forums and topics. Forums are sort of the buckets and topics are what go in the buckets. Okay, so think of it that way. Forum is bigger, topic is smaller. So we're going to create a new forum or a new bucket. So if you select New Forum, we want to give it a similar title. We want that standardization across our courses, right? We don't do that to be difficult. We do that so that students feel more confident and more comfortable in our courses so that they know what to expect because our courses look quite similar. So you want to enter a title here, Getting Started in whatever course you teach, okay? And then you want to write a brief description here. For example, this forum will provide you with blah, 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 okay? So you don't want to set up any limitations on that forum. You leave all these options blank. And again, it's Getting Started in English 100, BBA 101, whatever the case may be. And then save and close. So the first thing you might notice here is, wait a minute, where's the new forum I just created? It's actually going to go all the way at the bottom, sadly. So we have to reorder it. We want that to stay at the top of our discussion. So in order to do that, you're going to select More Actions, the arrow next to that, and then Reorder. And you'll scroll down, you'll see it here. It's listed as number 10. We want to bump that up to number 1 and then click Save. So you'll see here, my new forum, Getting Started in English 100, is now at the top. So students will have that consistently across the course that they can access that important information. So now within the forum, we want to create 3 topics. So now we have our bucket and we want to put things in our bucket, in other words. So you can click on this arrow here next to Getting Started in English 100 and select Add Topic. So the first topic that we're going to add is our welcome message and video, okay? And you're going to type your welcome message here. I try to write a really engaging, fun, interesting welcome message to get students excited about working with me as their professor and also about course content. And we also want to add a welcome video. So some of you have YouTube videos, some of you have collage videos. We want to make sure the video is easily accessible. Students shouldn't need any special software to watch your video. And I'm going to show you, and you may recall this from some other videos, you can actually use D2L video capture to enter your welcome video. So in order to do that, you would use Insert Stuff, and then you can add a video note. And my flash is out of date here, but your video will pop up and you will record the video, okay? That will be entered and then you'll save and close. Again, you don't want to have any limitations on this forum or these topics. It should be available throughout the course. So save and close. And you'll see here, here's our forum, here's our bucket, and now we've put something in that bucket. We've put a topic. So now students can respond directly to that topic. Now let's add another required topic, and this one is going to be called Student Introductions. So we want to guide students here, ask some questions to get them started, be creative here. Of course, the where are you from, what's your major, what are your goals questions are always nice, but you may want to really, share, your favorite television show or something light to help students connect with one another. Building that sense of community is something I learned back in Education 101. So students will learn more if they have a strong classroom community, and by introducing themselves to one another, that peer community is critical to their success. So we're not just doing this, we're not just doing any of this stuff for the heck of it, right? We're doing it because we know that it helps students succeed. So once, again, leave all of this open. You don't set any limitations, save and close. And you'll see here, now you've got your second topic within the forum. Okay, so remember, forums are buckets and topics are the stuff that go into your buckets. And last but not least, we're going to add a topic called course expectations. And you may want to say something here about this document, provide a context for it. But we're going to add that course expectations document that we're going to share with you all in email and in the sandboxes. So again, we want to go to Insert Stuff, and then I have the course expectations document on my desktop. So I'm going to double click on it and upload. Okay, it gives me a really funky link here, so I want to maybe put something. I always like to do this. Click here for course expectations. Because it's not always obvious that you should click on a hyperlink, right? So by adding click here, we give students that extra coaching. And then insert. Okay, I'll move that down. So now students can click there and access that course expectations document. Again, leave all of this open, save and close. And let's take a look and see how we've done here. So we've got our forum at the top of the forum. It's called Getting Started in blah, 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 English 100 in this case. And I have 3 topics: a welcome message and video, student introductions, and course expectations. And I've added the course expectations document. Now, students can select any of these topics and begin to reply. And you'll see that these numbers change as that happens. This will remain at the top of your discussion throughout the 8 weeks of your course. So it will always be there as that guide and setting that positive first step for students. So that completes this training video on setting up a Getting Started forum in the D2L discussion. Any questions, let us know. Thank you.